Hi, it's Becky from Review Hub, and today I'll be reviewing the AUTO-VOX M8, which is a smart rear view mirror with an inbuilt dash cam. It also comes with a reverse camera which you put on the back of your car so you can see where you're going when you're parking. So here are some of the key features on the AUTO-VOX M8. So it has a crisp display that's over 6 inches. It records in 1296, so over full HD. The front dash cam has a 140-degree wide angle, so it will capture all of your lane footage. It also has a microphone, so you can audio record all of your footage. And you can also play back all of your footage on the device using the internal speakers. So for the full details, check out my full review at reviewhub.co.uk, which is in the description below. So let's go down to my Honda Jazz and set it up. We're in my Honda Jazz and we're going to try out the AUTO-VOX M8, the smart rear view mirror. So I'm going to see how easy it is to fix on. So I'm going to plug in the mini USB at the top, bit of a strange one because I would have thought it would be a micro USB. So you're connecting the mini USB with a cigarette lighter, but I would have loved to see a USB charger on top of it because I always charge my phone when I drive, so that would have been really useful. Okay, that's in now. So the screen is really easy to use, it's very bright. It's very responsive to your touch. Can't see it through the camera because it's very light at the moment, so it's reflecting a lot of the light. But it's very easy to use. So I've been using the AUTO-VOX M8 in my Honda Jazz for around a month now. So let's take a look at the footage. This is some daytime footage. It's dusk as the sun setting in the background there, but it's still really easy to see the number plates. So even in my Honda Jazz, you can see it's still really smooth, and even though the street lights are on, it's still really good visibility. And finally, here's some night footage from a country lane. You can see the coloured brackets from green to red, showing you how close you are to the object behind you. So thank you for watching this AUTO-VOX M8 review. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews.